In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt-4 for free. Whether you're a curious learner, a developer, or someone just looking to explore the capabilities of artificial intelligence, you'll be glad to know that accessing Chatgpt-4 has never been easier or more accessible. And today, we're diving right into it. First off, I want you to open up your preferred web browser and head over to ChatGPT's website. This is where it all begins. It's worth taking a moment to bookmark this page if you think you'll return often. A helpful tip to save you time in the future. Once you're on the site, the next step is to either log in with your existing account or, if you're new, create a new account. The sign-up process is straightforward. Typically, you'll need to provide an email address and set up a secure password. Keep in mind, securing your account is crucial, so make sure you choose a strong, memorable password. If you're creating a new account, you'll likely have to confirm your email address to complete the process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on a dashboard. From here, what you want to do next is open a new chat. This is where the magic happens. By opening a new chat, you set the stage for interaction with one of the most advanced language models available. Now, here's an exciting update. The free tier of ChatGPT now includes access to GPT-4 level capabilities. This means you can harness the power and sophistication of GPT-4 without incurring any costs. It's a fantastic way to experience the cutting edge of AI technology without a financial commitment. With your chat open, you're ready to start typing your prompt. This is where you input whatever task or question you have. Want to draft an email, ask for coding help, or maybe get some creative writing feedback? Just type it in. One of the best things about ChatGPT is its versatility. You can ask it nearly anything. After you've entered your prompt, feel free to ask follow-up questions if needed. This is your opportunity to deepen the conversation and ensure clarity. Since ChatGPT-4 can handle complex dialogue, don't hesitate to probe further to get the information or response you're after. By asking follow-up questions, you can enhance your understanding or refine the output to better suit your needs. And there you have it. You've now learned how to use ChatGPT-4 for free. It's truly a powerful tool at your fingertips, ready to assist, educate, or entertain. Thanks for joining me today, and happy chatting.